Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fun English Friends. Are you ready to make your English listening fun and easy? This is a cozy place where we learn English in a fun, simple, and friendly way. Whether you're a beginner or still growing in your English journey, you're in the right place. Today, we'll also practice shadowing. Before we start, do you know what shadowing means? Let me tell you. Shadowing means listening to a sentence and repeating it right after the speaker, just like an echo. You try to copy the pronunciation, speed, and intonation as closely as you can. It helps you sound more natural when speaking English. How to shadow effectively. First, listen to the audio once. Next, repeat each line until you match the speed and intonation. Then, do it without reading. Focus on sounding natural. Don't worry about being perfect. Just enjoy the practice and keep going. Today, I want to tell you the story of Nara. 6 months ago, she started learning English, and honestly, it wasn't easy for her. But she found something simple that really works. She reads 1 page a day. Every morning, Nora listens to English for a few minutes. After lunch, she reads 1 page from a storybook. At night, she talks to herself in English, even if it feels a bit silly. And on weekends, she practices with a friend. It's not perfect, but it's real. Small steps every day make a big difference. So, if you're learning English too, remember 1 page a day can change your English. Let's enjoy this journey together. Hi, my name is Nora, and I started learning English 6 months ago. At first, it was really hard. I didn't understand much when people spoke to me. Their words sounded like one long, fast sentence. I felt shy and scared to say something wrong. I was afraid people would laugh at me. Sometimes I even thought maybe English is too difficult for me. But deep down, I didn't want to give up. So I decided to make a small plan. Every morning before work, I listened to English for 10 minutes, just 10 minutes. Sometimes I listened while I brushed my teeth or made breakfast. I liked listening to short podcasts about daily life. Sometimes I watched videos on my phone, cooking videos, travel vlogs, or simple news stories. Even if I didn't understand everything, I tried to catch 1 or 2 new words each day. After lunch, when I felt sleepy, I gave myself a little push. I opened an English storybook and read 1 page a day. If I didn't know a word, I wrote it in my notebook. At first, I wanted to check every word in the dictionary, but I learned to guess the meaning from the sentence. Sometimes I drew a little picture next to the new word to help me remember. At night, when I came home from work, I felt tired but happy with my progress. I talked to myself in English while I changed my clothes or made tea. I said simple things like, "Today was a busy day," or "I want to sleep early." It felt silly in the beginning, but slowly it became a fun habit. Speaking out loud made me feel brave and more confident. On the weekend, I called my friend Anna. She is also learning English, and we help each other. We talk for about 20 minutes, not too long, just enough to practice. We talk about what we cooked for lunch, what movie we watched, or where we want to travel one day. Sometimes we laugh because we make funny mistakes. But that's okay. Mistakes help us learn. One day, I surprised myself. I watched a whole video without stopping to translate every word. I understood the main idea. I felt so proud of myself. After a few months, I noticed I didn't feel so shy anymore. I could order coffee in English, ask simple questions, and even make small talk with tourists at work. Now, learning English is a part of my daily life, just like brushing my teeth or drinking water. I keep my notebook in my bag so I can read a word or two when I have free time. I still make mistakes, but I don't worry so much. I know I'm learning. So, if you're learning English too, please don't feel alone. Start small. Listen a little. Read a little. Speak a little. One page a day really can make a big difference. Be patient with yourself. Celebrate small wins. And remember, you can do it too. Great job practicing with us today. Keep shadowing every day. The more you do it, the more confident and fluent you'll become. If you enjoyed this shadowing practice, I'd love to make more stories like this for you. Just tell me in the comments. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a new practice session. See you next time, and happy shadowing!